Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics. This is our chapter 2, Roman numerals, and it is our revision lecture. In this revision lecture, I am going to cover all the topics. The chapter is small. If you are listening carefully, then you can complete it in very few hours. Today's subtopics are Roman numerals, how to write down the Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic form, and how to write down the Hindu-Arabic numerals in Roman numeral form. Then rules to write the Roman numerals, and along with this we will do practice questions. Let us start with our first topic, Roman numerals. In ancient time, the Romans used different symbols called Roman numerals, and the digits which we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, these are called Hindu-Arabic numerals or international numerals. The Roman numerals are formed by using 7 symbols. So these are the 7 symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D and M. These are the 7 symbols, and the values of these symbols are 1, I1, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. We have understood now the Roman symbols. Now we will understand the rules to write down the Roman numerals. Our first rule is multiplication rule. If a symbol is repeated in succession, the value of the numeral is obtained by multiplying the value of the symbol by the number of times it is repeated. Now look here, XX. The symbol is X and it is repeated 2 times. Value of X is 10. 10 into 2, 20. M. The symbol is M. It is repeated here 3 times. So value of M is 1000. 1000 multiplied by 3. It will give the answer 3000. This is our multiplication rule. Second rule is addition rule. When a smaller number is written on the right of the larger number, the smaller number is added to the larger number. Look here. The smaller number is 1. It is written to the right of the larger number. X is a larger number because its value is 10. I is a smaller, its value is 1. As smaller is written to the right of the larger number, the smaller number is added to the larger number. So 10 plus 1. So answer is 11. Similarly, next example is a DVIII. D. We have seen in our table that D, value of D is 500. 500 के राइट में अगेन स्मॉलर नंबर है V, that is 5. V के राइट में अगेन स्मॉलर है 111. So we will do addition of all this. 500 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 508. So DVIII, its value is 508. This is our addition rule. Third is subtraction rule. When a smaller number is written on the left of the larger number, the smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. These rules are given in your first term book on page number 18 and 19. Okay? So look here, what is the rule? Smaller number is written to the on the left of the larger number, then smaller number is subtracted from the larger number. So look here, V gives the value 5 and I, value is 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. So value of IV is 4. You say na generally class 4th, you can write down in Roman numeral as IV. Next is XC. Value of X is 10. Value of C is 100. 100 के लेफ्ट में लिखा हुआ है 10. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So value of XC is 90. Next is rule number 4. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X once only. V और X से I एक ही बार सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C once only. X L और C से एक ही बार सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकता है. The symbol C can be subtracted from D and M once only. Okay, these rules you have to follow when you will find out the answer in Hindu Arabic form. Or if Roman numeral is given, you have to write in Hindu Arabic. Or if Hindu Arabic is given, you have to write down the Roman numerals. Then these rules will be followed. The things which we have to remember, these are symbols I, X, C and M are repeated, whereas V, L and D are never repeated. I, X, C और M repeat हो सकते हैं, but V, L और D repeat नहीं होंगे, कभी भी repeat नहीं होते. No symbol is repeated more than 3 times. अब हमने बात की कि the symbols can be repeated. How many times? 3 times. Okay. Suppose we have to write on 30. The symbol will be X, X, X. And now if we have to write on 40, it can't be X, 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 X. 3 से ऊपर ये नहीं लिखा जा सकता. So to write on the 40, we will write on 50 minus 10. We have to use our subtraction rule. It will be XL. If you have understand this, then we will do our practice questions. Okay. One table is given in your book. You have to read that table. Revise the rules very, very carefully. Practice question 1. Write as Roman numerals. A part is 9. 9 is 10 minus 1. So, IX. 10 minus 1. Subtraction rule you will follow. 35. 35 is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So, X, X, X and V. 89. 89 is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Till here it is 80 plus 9. 50 is L. We know this. L, then X, X, X. And 9, IX. So, L, X, 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 I, X. Got it? You have to apply the rules very, very carefully. Okay. Next is 62. 62 is 50 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1. 50 is L. 10 is X. 1 plus 1, that is I. L, X, I. Right? Next is our E part. 401. Now 400. 400 will be written as 500 minus 100. Because 400 के लिए हमारे पास डायरेक्ट कोई सिंबल नहीं है. 500 के लिए है हमारे पास. And subtraction rule also we know. So 500 minus 100. 400 plus 1. Now 500 is D. D minus 100 means जो 100 का symbol है that is C will be written to the left. CD. And 1 is I. 400 is CD. Keep this thing in your mind. 400 is CD. Okay. Because D minus C. 500 minus 100 is 400. Next is F part. 521. Now 500 you know. D. 20. XX. 1. I. So D, X, X, I. Right. Next is G part. 1160. 1000. Symbol of 1000 you know. That is M. Then 100. C. Then 50. L. And then 10. X. So M, C, L, X. These alphabets will be written capital. Next is H part. 2000. 2000 is 1000 plus 1000. M. This addition is not important to write down, but if you want to find out the answer in this way, to open the Hindu Arabic first and then to write down, then that is also correct. Next is our question number 2. Write the Hindu Arabic notation. Roman notation, Roman numeral is given to us and we have to write down the Hindu Arabic notation. Hindu Arabic form में लिखना है. So first part is D C X L I V. Beta, now keep the thing in your mind. D आपको मालूम है, that is 500. C is 100. XL 40. IV 4. Okay, so 500 plus 100, 600 plus 40 plus 4, 644 is our answer. Next, MCCV. M you know, 1000. C 100. C 100. V 5. 1205. Next is CCCVII. CCC 100. VII. अब यहाँ एडिशन रूल है. V 5 plus 1 plus 1 7. Okay, so 307. Here we have used the subtraction rule. L minus X, V minus I. And here addition rule. V plus I and I plus V plus I plus I. Got it? Next is XLIX. XL, L minus X, 40. X minus I, 9. So 40 plus 9 is 49. अब तक तो बेटा आपको लर्न हो गया होगा. XL is 40. LX is 60. IX 9. IV 4. V 5. C 100. D 500. M 1000. बोल के इसको रिवाइज करेंगे आप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. पुट ग्रेटर और लेस साइन. A part XIV IX dash is there. You see X 10, IV 4, so it is 14. IX is 9. 14 is greater than 9, so XIV is greater than IX. CD, B part is there. CD, CDI. CD, अभी हमने किया था. CD is 400. CD 400 plus 1, 401. So 401 is greater than 400. Or we can say CD is less than CDI. Right? Next is ML dash CM. M is 1000. L is 50. 1050. CM. अब M के देखो यहाँ पर क्या लिखा हुआ है लेफ्ट में. C that is 1000 minus 100. इस चीज को याद रखना है. ऐड मत कर देना कि 100 plus 1000. 1000 minus 100, 900. Now 1050 is greater than 900. So ML is greater than CM. Addition subtraction rule should be followed very carefully. Okay. These are the hot questions given in your book. First question, M divided by CCL plus MCCL minus D is equal to dash. Now beta, we have to fill up. So first we have to solve this. And now you see that there is sign division, addition, subtraction. So first of all you write down the value. M is 1000. CCL 100 plus 100 plus 50, 250. Put division sign here. MCCL 1000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50, 1250 minus D is 500. Now three signs are with us. I explained you previously also board mass. B bracket O off means multiply. D division. M multiplication. A addition, S subtraction. So first of all we will do division. D is written first. So division. 1000 divided by 250. 1000 को 250 से divide करेंगे. You will get answer 4. because 252 are 500, 253 are 750, 254 are 1000. 4 plus 1250 minus 500. Now two signs are left. One sign हमने resolve कर लिया, solve कर लिया ना इसको. Now plus minus, which sign will be taken first? Addition, right? So 4 plus 1250 is 1254 minus 500. After subtraction we will get 754. 700 is 500 plus 100 plus 100. Then 54. 50 plus 4. So we have written it here. 500 D, C, C. 50 is L and 4 is IV. So our answer is D, C, C, L, I, V. Without solving this, we can't reach to the answer. Now our next question is of this HOTS, question number 2. Multiply D by the biggest Roman numeral and write the number so obtained in Indian and international place value system. Multiply D को multiply करो biggest Roman numeral से. Biggest Roman numeral is M. So D multiply by M. और फिर हमें आंसर को लिखना है in write as a number. So obtained in Indian and international place value system के अकॉर्डिंग हमें इस आंसर को लिखना है. So D is given, multiply by the biggest Roman numeral M. D is 500, M is 1000. 500 multiply 1000 is 5 lakh. In Indian system it will be written as 5 lakhs, and in international system ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 500,000. Beta, what happened? Most of the time I get your homework in which you write directly answers. I explain each and everything in your lecture. But in your notebook you write only answers. Why you don't write down the steps? जैसा लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन किया स्टेप बाय स्टेप, ऐसे ही आपको अपने होमवर्क को भी करना है. राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच दीज. A to G parts are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to match the correct answer. Matching lines you will not put. You will write down the alphabets in the column, second column. So first part is V bar D C C X C bar. But this symbol is known as bar. It is placed over a numeral which is multiplied by 1000. Like V is a numeral and bar is put there. So 5 multiply by 1000. जिस पे आपके न्यूमरल पे सिंबल के ऊपर बार होगी, उस न्यूमरल को, उस सिंबल को आपने 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. सो V बार D C C X C. V बार 5 into 1000, 5000 plus D 500 plus C C 100 plus XC. XC is 90. 100 minus 10. So our answer is 5790. So check here in your options. This is here 5790. Right here A. Now next part, VIII bar. VIII. It is 8. 8 multiply 1000. 8000. 8000 plus D, that is 500. 8500. This is our answer B. Next is XXX. That is 30. And then IV 4. 34. MM. 1000, 1000, 2000. Then CCC 2000 plus 300. XX 20 and II 2. 2322. This is your answer D. Next is XL. XL is 40. 40 plus 9, 49. Next part is MMCXXV. MM, that is 1000 plus 1000 plus C 500. 2000, then 500, 2000. C is 100. 5000 is D, है ना? C is 100. So 1000 plus 1000, 2000. 2000 plus 100, 2100. XXV is 25. So 2125. This is here F part. 2125. XC. XC is 90. 100 minus 10. है ना? 90 plus 9. 99. So write down here your answers. These alphabets will be written here in front of the correct number. Now our next question. Multiply and write the answers in Roman numerals. We have to multiply the given terms. Then we have to write down the answer in Roman numeral form. So A part, IV multiply by V. IV you know 4. V 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 is XX. Next is C multiply IX. C is 100. IX 9. 100 multiply 9. 900. 900 is 1000 minus 100. CM. Right? Next is IX multiply D. IX is 9. 9 multiply 500. 9 5s are 45. Then put 2 zeros to the right side. 4500. 4000. बेटा इसका डायरेक्ट सिंबल आपके पास नहीं है. 5000 minus 1000 you will take. 5000 is V bar. V bar minus 1000, that is M. V bar is 4000. Plus D, that is 500. So answer is MV bar D. Right? Is it clear how to put bar? V के ऊपर या नीचे, M और D पे नहीं लगानी. Right? What is a note? There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. Roman numerals में 0 के लिए कोई symbol नहीं है. So our chapter has been completed here. I have taken all the rules, all the symbols. You have to read the chapter carefully, then revise the lecture, then do your practice questions in your notebook. Be regular. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is solve the assignment of chapter 2 in practice notebook. Assignment you will get on AdQuark website. You have to solve the assignment after listening the lecture carefully and after reading the chapter from your book. Okay? I hope you all have understood the chapter carefully. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.